Welcome everybody to our YouTube channel Radiology Signs. Guys, in this video, we will see a radiology picture and try to correlate the specific or typical findings as seen in that picture. So let's get started. Here is the picture. Have a look on this picture and try to find anything abnormal in the picture. I will give you 10 seconds for this. Well, the time is up. Well, let's get into business now. I am sure you all have eaten an apple and noticed half-bitten apple as shown in the picture. Well, this is the typical apple core sign seen as half-bitten apple. This typical sign is highly suggestive of colon cancer. You might not want to miss this typical findings. To learn more about colon cancer, you can check description box below. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.